Is a stuck kitchen faucet nut preventing you from removing your old faucet? Welcome to Kitchen Faucet. In this video, I'll show you 2 common ways to remove a kitchen faucet nut, depending on the type of retaining nut installed under your sink. Let's get started. Step 1. Prep. Not all kitchen faucet nuts are the same, and the removal process may vary depending on the faucet model. If your faucet uses a standard 16mm nut and it's heavily rusted or seized in place, you may need a flathead screwdriver, a chisel, or a power cutting tool to help remove it. If your kitchen faucet nut looks like this retaining nut style, you'll need a cordless drill and a flathead screwdriver for the removal process. Step 2. Remove. For a rusted 16mm nut, the bracket is often the weakest point. Once you locate that area, use a flathead screwdriver, chisel, or power cutting tool to break the bracket. One method is to place 2 flathead screwdrivers between the bracket and the faucet stem. Then carefully pull the screwdrivers apart to separate and break the bracket. After the bracket breaks, it should come off very easily. Once it's removed, you can pull out the old faucet. Depending on the condition of the bracket, using a chisel or grinder may make the job even easier. If your kitchen faucet has this retaining nut or lock nut style, start by using a cordless drill to break the retaining nut. Continue drilling until the retaining nut is properly weakened and split apart. Once the retaining nut is broken, use a flathead screwdriver to pry out and remove the remaining pieces. After the nut is completely removed, slowly pull the faucet up and out of the sink. And that's how to remove a stuck kitchen faucet nut using 2 different methods based on the type of retaining nut you're working with. Thanks for watching Kitchen Faucet. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.